Hello, soulmates. Let me show you how to fold the hem of a flare, like the one you see in the picture. So, if that's what you want to learn, let's get into class. So, this is me trying to fold the hem of my flare. Just pick the down part of it, like you see me do. Fold it, use your hand to arrange it, then you sew it down. Move your hand a little bit forward. You don't need to rush in this aspect. 2 to 3 inches long is okay. You arrange it with your other hand, then you sew on top of it. It's very easy to sew. Just follow my footstep. You will see that it's very easy to do it. Just arrange it, pick to 2 to 3 inches like I said earlier. Try to fold it with a 3/4 of an inch, then use the other hand to arrange it down, and just, you can see the way I'm doing, then sew on top of it. It's very easy. Then the next thing is for us to iron. If this video has been so helpful, like, share to other soulmates so that you can learn, then subscribe to get more tips on this fashion world. Thank you.